Only on them seas if it's breeze. Red ruby the sleeves, Chinese on my sleeve. These wanna be Chun-Lees anyway, yeehaw. Who the fuck told bitches they was me now? I knew these bitches was slow, I ain't know these.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If I see my face for the first time, my name is OGOM'S, a content creator based in Abuja. Today's cooking video is going to be I cooking different kinds of soup, okay, because our soup has run out in the freezer. So I'm going to be stocking up on the different soups. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share this particular video, and let's get right into the ingredients. Yes, we're making 6 different kinds of soup. 6 different kinds of soup, and the ingredients, we have already prepped up the ingredients. So these are all the things that we have prepped up. So in none other, what is the English anyway, this is our dry fish, dry fish. We've already pieces it. This is our goat meat. This is one set of goat meat. Here is our oziza. Here is our oha. Here is our water leaf. Okay, we've already poured hot water on top of this. Here is our ogo, as you can see here. Now we have here our obono. This is blended obono. Okay, this is our ede. This ede will be for 2 soup, the oha soup and the onugbo soup. Okay, so right here we have our onions. This is our otaze. This otaze is for white soup, that is nsala soup. This one is pounded yam. This one is our bitter leaf, our onugbo. Here is our okra, and we have our pepper here. Okay, and that is our tatashi that we'll be using to cook our vegetable soup. So everything here, we're also making egusi soup. Yes, so here is our fried egusi. So this is everything that we have prepped up. So this is another set of chalokwan. This is another set of goat meat. Okay, we are going to be portioning these goat meat into 15-15 each of them. So let's all start cooking. This is our goat meat, well cooked goat meat. So what I want to do right now is that I want to divide this goat meat into different pots according to the amount that we usually use in cooking different soup. Okay, and we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. I removed the meat from this pot because the meat is already cooked. So what I want to do right now is that after making the soup base, if the soup is about to be done, I'll pour the meat. So this side is for our oha soup, while the other pot is for our egusi soup. So I want to add the ede and add the necessary things. So adding ede helps thicken your soup, and this ede is for 2 soup. So I have to know how I'm adding it. So look at it. Here is our ede. I think it's okay. So we'll be adding in our red oil. So I have added in our oil. Here is our ogili. Okay, I will add it in. I will add more, just that we usually store it in the freezer, so this is still blocked. I'm trying as much as possible to bring out more. So while that is trying to melt, I will cover this up and we'll be moving over to the next soup, which is egusi soup. Okay, so we're going to be adding in our egusi right now. Okay, so that everything will start marrying and start producing children. So this is egusi that is already fried. Okay, now you'll be asking, how did you fry your egusi? Pour your egusi inside a pot like this, add oil, add a little bit, even if it's half maggi, then some onions inside, and fry it on low heat so that it doesn't burn. So that is how we fry our egusi. Okay, so divide, as in divide, mix everything in so that it will marry with the meat and the water and allow to simmer. This simmer, you will hear them again today. So this is it. Okay, so I'm going to be mixing this right now. I will still need to pour more water, but first I will allow the egusi to break very well before I add another water, because if you leave it like this, your soup will be so thick. Gone. So this is it. Yeah, I will pour another water into this so that the egusi will be plenty. Any chance you get to cook soup, cook enough and store in the freezer. So here is our egusi. Okay, I think this is too bright. Still okay. So here is our egusi. I'll be adding in our onions. Okay, add enough onions. How many soup am I cooking with these onions? So when you add that in, we're going to be adding in our spices right now. Okay, things like crayfish, just turn it. You can see upon the whole water I have mixed into this egusi, you can see it's still thick. So mix everything. Don't worry, the onions will still cook. You won't see it again. So we'll be going in with our pepper, our crayfish, our maggi, and the rest of them. So first of all, we're going in with our crayfish. Add enough as the spirit leads. Add in your crayfish, salt, that there are some people that mix egusi and obono. I don't understand you people, oh. Or is it sweet? Hey, Chineke nna. If I'm cooking egusi, let me cook egusi. If I'm cooking obono, let me cook obono. But how will it be tasting, bacon? Is it that it will drop? When you drop, you pack egusi. Hey, Chineke nna. I need to even try it one day. Let me see how it is. So mix everything on. So you cover this. So guys, this is our ogilope. As you can see it, I'll be roasting this particular ogilope and I'll be adding it into our egusi. This is another important ingredient that you shouldn't forget in your egusi soup. So let's roast it. All you have to do is that I usually fix mine. Like you can see, this place that is dark is because we have been using it to roast this thing. So I'll put it on the knife and I'll put it under the fire for just 1 minute so that it doesn't get too black. Yeah, so let's do it. So I have finished roasting this, as you can see. So what people usually do is that they will put in a mortar and pound with pepper, crayfish, and this ogilope. But me, because I already have my crayfish and everything grinded, all I have to do is just fry this on the fire and press it down and add it in. Now some people usually add iru in place of this ogilope in their egusi. So it's time for us to add our pepper. Okay, make I not go add tatashi say na pepper. I think this pepper. This one has water. It's pepper I want. Let me remove the water and we'll be right back. So I want us to check on our oha while the egusi is cooking. What is that thing I use for her? So here is our oha base. Okay, I think I need to add more oha because I want this oha to be plenty. This soup I'm seeing here. LOTANNA, where are you from? So I want to add more. If you add more, all you have to do is just to add more water. Naluo. And blow the kiss, blow. So, yeah, we're going to allow this to cook again so that our soup will be plenty. It's not another time I will come here now and come and start standing for soup. Ede is very expensive now. This ede that you people saw that they pounded is 1,000 naira ede. So we're going to allow this to cook again. I will be right back. Cover it. And now we are moving over to our egusi. So at this moment I'm going to be adding in our ogo right now because egusi, you know, they had it done. I think egusi is one of the easiest soup to cook. Yeah. I will also be adding in small oziza. Add in oziza. Though you can use the seed though, but me, I don't have the seed. So I'm using the leaf. So that's enough. You're going to be mixing everything. This soup is thick. Oh, this soup is thick. You people should balance and check it now. Not be thick, not be too thick. Shall mix everything, oh? I'll still add water. At this moment, I'll be adding in our dry fish. Okay, this fish is for all the soup I'm cooking today, so I need to be taking it small and be breaking it in. This boy poured there. LOTANNA, LOTANNA me. It's okay. It's okay. Mix it in, and voila, our soup is getting done. One soup down, 5 more to go. Again in afia. So I'll be putting down this egusi. Oh, you go. You don't do. You don't follow. I have feelings for you. I have feelings for you. If you need to add more ogo, please add more ogo. I don't know whether I should add this small onugbo that I have here. Wait, I haven't added onugbo in my egusi before, but my co-wife Buruburu used to add. Just small. So egusi, yeah, the oko is done. Next soup, bowan. Yeah. So we're going to be adding in the meat for the oha now, so that everything will now start cooking together. Okay, because the meat is already cooked, I don't want it to keep getting soft. So that is it. Let's go kwa. We counted our meat. It looks empty. Away. So here is our nsala, okay? Because we've already boiled the goat's meat. All I have to do now is to put the spices for this particular nsala. So I have added the spice for nsala, I have added pepper, I have added crayfish, and I have poured water. Okay, so what I want to do right now is water. Hey Oyibo, what I want to do right now is that I'm going to leave this soup to simmer for some time before I will add my pounded yam and other things that I need to add. So that is it. I need to pour more water. Don't worry, it will still thicken. And also I want to add another twist to this nsala. You know, some people they don't use oil for their oil. Anyway, they don't use oil for their nsala, but today I'm going to be adding just a tiny little bit chinkily oil, and then I'll be adding a little bit of ogilibo. That's this ogili you're seeing here. I will just be adding little. At least let's have a twist of nsala soup and not be eating like a normal and random nsala soup. And this is the right time for me to add it. Okay, so let me show you the quantity of the ogili that I'm adding. This is the quantity, very small. Wait, let me show you, very tiny. I will just have to press it, and then we'll be going in with a little oil. Yes, that is the quantity of oil that we are going to be adding. Okay, should I add small more? Away, Brother Bernard. This one is okay because so cover this to simmer and we'll be right back. So our oha will be going in. This is well cut oha. We've already cut it. Be generous with your oha. Okay, so now I've added it. Look, bieba. Nyam fella. No, this one. Nka orange. Nyamia. Nyamia means give me. So we are going to be adding our otaze. So here is the otaze. Debia means keep it. Debia. So mix everything. Okay. And adjust your taste. Adjust your seasoning. Hey, ose balaba, ose. So here is our oha. Osugokwano. I'll be putting this down so that we can move over to the next soup. Okay, where is the rag? Ngwa kaije iba. So I have put another pot on fire. I want to start making my vegetable soup, but before that, let's sort out our nsala soup. Okay, so here is our nsala. It has simmered, so we'll be adding in our yam. Which this thing will I use now? Let me use this one. So this is our pounded yam. I'll be adding in small. This pounded yam will thicken this soup for me. You can see, the oil I added is much. So some people will be asking, will be saying that this one is no longer white soup. Oh. Sometimes you can add oil, but not plenty oil. I want to make this, mold this like ball. I don't like the way that thing is coming out. Okay, so I will start molding like a ball. Mold like a ball so that it doesn't scatter inside the pot. That's the need of you molding like a ball. Okay, mold like this. Hey, now I'm cooking this video, I just remembered Popesa lifestyle. It's been long she posted. Oh, baby girl, I hope you are okay. Sending you all the love and hugs. Maybe you're busy or you have a lot of things in your plates. Sending you all the love and hugs, Popesa lifestyle. And to everyone that is going through a phase right now that is not making them to post, may everything be finalized. Oh, may you have that closure that you are looking for. In Jesus' name, amen. So here baby chadi yam, baby means you will break, you will mold small. Mold oh ya one belly. Eh? So we'll be adding in oil into our pot for vegetable soup. Hey, I don't know how else to do it though. So you people will be seeing this, my camera, it don't reach the highest extent. I don't know how else to expand it because the pot is longer. So we'll be allowing the oil to simmer. Hey, while I'm washing off, let me wash off some of the things here so that it no go plenty. So we'll allow the oil to simmer while our nsala is still cooking. That is it. Oh. So I'll be going in with our tatashi. And I'll be mixing everything. Ouch. So we'll be checking in on our nsala soup. So the yam is thickening it. It is thickening. So I want to add in our dry fish now, because this soup, you know, you go do now. How many soup is remaining for this dry fish? You don't dey finish. Oh, you don't do. I will still pour more water because it's getting thicker. So mix it and still cover to simmer. So here is our nsala. I'll be adding in otaze. Here is otaze. I love otaze in my nsala. And my pepper soup too. So that's enough so that your soup will not be bitter. Mix everything. Nsala don't need to be too thick. Mba. You know, small River Niger and you know, thick. That's how it should be. It be like said the otaze no come out though. So I'm going to add more. A little. Hey, before I pass, be careful. Brother Bernard, away. So this is okay. Oh. I think I'll add just a little tiny bit of water. A little tiny bit of water, because all this soup, if you bring it down, it will still thicken. So just add. So mix everything. Don't burn on me, this soup. Don't burn. So mix everything. And voila! Our soup is ready. So I'll just allow this to cook for 3 minutes. Chebi, get taste. I want my taste. I will be right back. So we're going to be adding our spices into our vegetable soup. So our crayfish goes in. Add as much as possible. And then we're also going to be adding oginope. So our salt goes in. And what again? I'm going to roast our oginope, and I will add it in. So that thing is a mixture of, that thing that was looking like tomato is a mixture of tatashi and pepper. If it's not peppery enough, you can still blend pepper and add, because me, I love my vegetable soup very peppery, not too peppery anyway. So I'll add in our Maggi, and we're going to mix everything. And allow it to cook. It's very hot. So 3 soup down, 3 more to go. So we're going to be putting down our nsala. So right now I want to pour in our water leaf. So while that is in, I'm going to mix everything. It seems this too is not enough. This vegetable is actually big, not too much. And I'll be pouring in our ogo, and I'll mix the first set and come back again. Ogo Erika. So we're going to be mixing. Hey, don't worry, once fire touch it now, you won't see this ogo again. Ow. I think I need to put this down and mix it down before I start adding. It's very hot. So I'm making my obono soup right now. I have poured in the oil. Sorry I didn't show you guys. So I'm adding meat stock so that I can use it and be turning the obono so that it will draw very well. Keep mixing. It will draw, don't worry. Obono soup, black garri, is my kids' favorite soup. Almost all the kids, their favorite soup is obono. I don't know why. So the more you add water, you have to keep turning. I don't know why my hands are paining me. So here is my vegetable soup. I'm using this spoon just because, not just that, so that I can get the whole vegetable around. That's why I'm using it. Hey. So right now our vegetable is done. All I have to do is just to allow it to get hot a little, because the more you leave it on fire, the more it brings out more water. So that is what I want to do. And after that, I'll bring it down. I've added in enough spices, crayfish, the ogo is in, the water leaf is in. Sorry, I need to remove this. Hey, sorry, I'm making use of my hand. I needed to remove that, and spoon wouldn't have removed it. That's why I made use of my hand. I will warm it, and my hands are clean. I've been cooking. So because once it simmers, I will show you guys. So let us move over to our obono soup down there. So I'll be adding in our onions so that everything will start cooking. While that is in, cover this to simmer, but let me just add more water. So you're going to cover this to simmer before we move over to the next one. Okay? So I'll be putting our vegetable down. So this is 4 soup, 2 more to go right now. Okay. So these are obono. I'll be adding in our meat. Everything sharp sharp. Make it they go in. Wait. So this is the 5th soup right now. I don't try this morning now. So mix everything, and I'll be adding in the spices so that everything are now so called, you know. While that is doing, or while that is cooking, let me just be packing up things to wash. Just be washing small while the soup is cooking. Yeah, my battery is even about to go. Like, just pray that it serves me. Yeah, so guys, I have added our okra. Oh, whichever one, I've added it. So right now I want to add our ugu. The ugu goes in because I was trying to clean the gas and the rest of them. I'll also be adding a little bit of otazi. Oziza, sorry, not otazi. So add it in. We're going to mix it. Ouch. Ouch. I'm going to be adding in more meat because this soup is the soup that lasts more in this house, and I'll still be adding in more water too. Okay, here is our meat. I'll be adding in more, and I'm going to be mixing everything. So check for taste. If your taste is okay, that means our obono soup is done. Okay, so I'll be checking for taste. Jesus, Brother Bernard. I'll add in more water. Anyway, there is no pepper. This is actually my kids' soup, and they don't really like very peppery. So our soup is done and dusted. Okay. Hey God, I'm tired. Very tired. This is the 5th soup for the day. Where is the one that they cut for you? So guys, welcome back. So right now I have finished cooking. I'm still going to show you the soup. So the remaining onugbo soup, I used all of the the cocoyam to cook the oha soup, so it wasn't enough for the bitter leaf soup. So we're going to be making the soup later. Maybe when I go to market and buy more ede, we're going to use it and cook the onugbo. So I'm not going to cook the bitter leaf today. So right now I have finished cleaning the gas. See there. So I have finished cleaning the gas. My battery is running low and I'm about to wash off all the things that you're seeing here, and also I'm going to be sweeping the kitchen. So this is how everywhere is looking. That's our soup over there. I just want to round up this thing before my battery goes low. Okay, it's already blinking. So I'll be showing you our soup one after the other immediately before this battery goes low. Okay, so right here we have our obono soup. Okay, right here we have our nsala soup. Over there we have our egusi soup. As you can see, that's our egusi soup over there. Okay, and here we have our oha soup. That's our oha soup over there. And over there we have our vegetable soup. Okay, so it's just remaining the bitter leaf soup, for which I couldn't cook. So everything is ready. It's just to clear up the kitchen, and we're going to pack the soup later because my battery is running low. So I'll see you guys. Let me just clean up this place and we'll be right back. So guys, I'm done and dusted right now. Everywhere is clean. The sink is clean. The dustbin is well packed, about to be disposed, and the kitchen is swept and clean too. So I'm done and dusted with this particular place. I don't know if I'll be showing you guys when we're dishing out the soup, but if I can, I will sure show you guys. So these are all our soup. Okay, I'm done and dusted.
When you see a food that has all nutritional values, that has all the components of vitamins, multivitamin, Nutri-C, things that makes a man stand fit, Mudiaga. What are we talking?
So I'm done and dusted right now. Hi. Hi. Okay. Okay. Hey, Biko, if you have watched, I'll show you. If you have watched up to this moment, in case I don't show you when we're dishing out the soup, please remember to subscribe, like, click on the notification bell, and share this particular video. And yeah, waiting again, nothing again. So these are the soup, but because our plate has finished, so Patience has finished dishing it out. Here is egusi, one. So this is 3 egusi. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oha, as you can see here, and then we have 2 white soup, and we also have here our vegetable soup. So this is all of our soup. Okay, done and dusted. Yeah, this is our soup.